Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today is an extra chef bite. This one's gonna be very quick. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just wanted to say that traveling. So I'm currently traveling for leisure, not work, but I travel a lot. I honestly travel in a good amount of time throughout the year for work, for leisure, for everything else. And I love traveling. But if you don't love traveling, then it's one of those things that it feels very, sometimes repetitive, just like too much work. You don't actually want to do it. And that's okay. I think we've gotten to the point where we force things on people. And it's like, if you like traveling, then travel. If you like shoes, buy shoes. If you like chocolate, buy chocolate. If you like going to the club, go to the club. I think the biggest thing to understand is your priorities they're a big factor into what you can and cannot do. I, for instance, love to travel outside of work, just in my personal time. And so my biggest priority is usually not only just paying my bills and investments and other things, but also setting aside the money to travel to the places that I want to go. Now, if that means that I cannot go to the club or to the strip club or to the other things that like my friends might want to go, then that's a sacrifice that I have to make to do those things. I think one of the hardest truths to learn as an adult is that you have to figure out your priorities and you have to stick to them. And you cannot blame other people for your priorities or your plan not working out. Because if you want to do something and there's a path to do it, you have to dedicate your time and energy into it. No one else can do that for you. So yeah, just today, I just want to touch on that and talk about that just a little bit about me. I'm actually in Chicago right now. I'm at my cousin's 50th birthday party. Shout out to turning 50. I don't know what the big thing online is right now about talking about people's age, but for me, my grandmother told me a long time ago before she passed that age is a blessing, because unless you don't want to be here anymore, you want to get old. So that's a blessing. So shout out to that. And it is very, very cold. I even have my hat on right now recording. It is super cold up here. So to my friends and viewers and listeners and anything that live in cold climates, shout out to you, because I only have to bring my coat out maybe once or twice a year. And I had to bring both my coats out for this trip. So yeah, it's a little chilly. It's actually still snow outside. I'll be outside today. So yeah. But anyway, get your priorities in order. Always make sure that you're doing things that you want to do. Don't fall into the trap of, oh, traveling is a big thing right now, let me travel. If you don't like to travel, don't travel. It's just one of those things where like, you want to do the things that make you happy. Just pick and choose your life for yourself. All right, I'll see you guys next time.
For watching today's episode, I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.